happened to your leg?
I tore my ACL, now I need surgery.
Do you need anesthesia for your surgery?
Well, duh, you always need anesthesia for your surgery.
I wonder how anesthesia is made.
Yeah, me too.
Raub is a global company that has sites on all different continents around the world. Locally here in Bethlehem, there's a site here that supplies 110 different countries on 6 different continents around the world.
So Paramount makes anesthesia, and anesthesia is a drug that you need to take which puts you to sleep when you're getting surgery. And we sell it locally, so if you've ever had surgery here at the Lehigh Valley, you've probably taken our medicine. That's what knocks you out. But we also sell it all over the world, so it allows people to get life-saving surgery.
What actions are taken to ensure safety of the products that Paramount makes?
So we have a quality control and a quality assurance group that both are responsible for making sure that the product that we provide to customers is always of the best quality and will never harm anyone when it goes out into the marketplace.
How does Paramount impact the local and global community?
Paramount is always looking to embody the core message of doing well and doing good, and with that we're always looking to participate in local community events such as Toys for Tots, for example.
What is your favorite part of working for Paramount for
Which is my number one thing in life, is to be able to work at a company where my personal life can stay intact, and this job provides that because I live 3 miles away. I actually, sometimes when it's nice out, I can ride my bicycle here.
I said absolutely love working at Paramount. Everyone that is part of the team is absolutely great to work with. It's a very close-knit family, as you could say. Everyone enjoys working with each other. It's a great team to be a part of. One of my favorite parts about being a part of the Paramount team is knowing that I sort of make a difference, in the medical side of things. We have a big push for patient centricity, so we really do care a lot about our patients. Just waking up every day knowing that I help make a difference in these people's lives really inspires me.
Hey, how was your surgery?
Good. Do you remember when we were talking about anesthesia?
Yeah.
Well, I had this dream that I went to this place called Paramount Critical Cares, and they taught me how to make anesthesia.
Oh, that's so cool.